Using QuickBooks for beauty business is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Tailor your chart of accounts to your beauty business. Here are some examples of relevant accounts. Income, service revenue, such as haircuts, facials, etc. Product sales, like retail items. Gift certificate income. Expenses, cosmetics and supplies. Equipment rental or leasing, salon fees such as rent, utilities, marketing and advertising, payroll costs. If you sell retail products, consider using the inventory management features in QuickBooks Online. This helps track stock levels, reorder points, and product costs, recording transactions. Create invoices for services rendered or products sold. You can customize them with your salon logo and contact information. Enter bills from suppliers, rent payments, utility bills, and other business expenses. Categorize them properly for accurate reporting. Record customer payments and manage your bank accounts. Reconcile them regularly for accurate bookkeeping. Use the customer management features in QuickBooks Online to track client information, purchase history, and contact details.